Hey guys, so this is a ROLLEIFLEX SL35M camera. Unfortunately, when it arrives at time, I think our local courier just threw the thing or what. It broke lah, so we need to make claims from them. Hopefully we can sell this off cheap. It's still relatively functional still. Just that the aesthetics of it it's no longer as nice as it should be lah. That's a sad thing. Gonna test this first. I guess I always forget. Yeah, how do I? Okay, timer. I don't know how many people actually use these self timers, but you know, it's the future. Then I just doing my job to test it and see if it works and everything. However, this one I think it doesn't work fully. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is the aesthetics of it: front, side, the other side, down, top. This camera used like specific lens mount. I'm not sure what mount exactly is it because I tried using it on an AR kind of adapter, but I'm not sure why it doesn't fit onto it. But I got lenses which can use on this camera. It's the Rollei 51.8, Voigtlander 51.8. I also got Voigtlander 55.4 which can use with this camera. Okay, so let me put the move the battery to show you the light meter. That's not coronavirus, I think. Okay, so let's take out. Oh yeah, I already got a battery inside. I think it's not my battery. Let me remove that. Okay.